Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. With Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition finally official in both 4G and 5G variants of the devices, we can already begin to look forward to the next year Fan Edition iteration. During the keynote, Samsung confirms it's planning to bring more Galaxy FE Edition phones in the lineup in the future. So this means that Samsung is planning to or seeing that Fan Edition is going to target that audience. We know that Samsung Galaxy S series and Note series are pretty much expensive devices and they are literally $1,000 the fan wants. So as compared to OnePlus, we know that they didn't feel any kind of a competition previously, and this is going to be a wake-up call for OnePlus, because if they continue to make those devices in such a category and did not provide any kind of good specification in their devices, then I think that Samsung will dominate this market. 20 Fan Edition will bring, but I feel that it's gonna be amazing. So guys, what do you think about this affordable level flagship device? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you are new here, do consider subscribing my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.